National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for north-central Canadian County in central Oklahoma, including the city of El Reno, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:30 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located over El Reno, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. This tornadic thunderstorm is capable of producing destructive wind gusts in excess of 100 miles per hour. El Reno, Richland, Piedmont, and northwest Oklahoma City. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 1